Hello everyone, this is your instructor Edres Oriakale from Novatech. Today I will teach you how to change boot logo in Windows 10 11. Tired of the default Windows boot logo? You can replace it with your own custom image and personalize your PC like a pro. In this guide, you'll learn how to safely change the Windows 10 or Windows 11 boot logo using a trusted open-source tool. This method works on modern UEFI systems and does not modify Windows files directly. It simply replaces the boot splash image. Important: this tutorial is for advanced users. Follow every step carefully.
Step 1. Check BIOS mode. This method only works on UEFI systems. Press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32. Press Enter. Look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, continue. If it says Legacy, this method won't work.
Step 2. Create custom boot logo. We'll create a proper BMP image using Paint. Open Paint. Resize canvas to your screen resolution, example 1920 by 1080. Fill background black. Insert your logo image. Center the logo. Save as 24-bit BMP. Name the file splash.bmp.
Do not use JPG or PNG. Only BMP works reliably.
Step 3. Install hackbgrt. Right-click setup.exe. Select Run as Administrator. Command window opens. Type I and press Enter. The tool installs and applies the custom logo.
Step 4. Now restart your computer. See, now your logo is showing instead of window logo.